Hello dear friends, my name is Edward and welcome to your 18 tutorial on how to make e-commerce website. Okay, so in the last video I told you guys to add as many as possible products you can add in your database, and I saw an error on the inventory. We have all of those displaying line, and we don't want that, so I want you guys to let me open junk close and go to admin and go to inventory. So go to inventory, admin inventory.php, and where we display here where it says inventory products doc equals, at the end of here put a break line like that, save FTP and refresh the page. Now they look better. Okay, now we are in the home page and we have no products for our store. So I want here to show the most recently 4 products that we add, or whatever you can add. So we can close here admin add inventory.php, and I want you guys to close the admin.php and go to index.php. So here we create a new div, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Div ID is gonna be last or newest product. Okay. Okay. And I will add a PHP block. I'm gonna say echo last newest new products, actually. And close here. And of course we're gonna comment this out because we don't have this variable yet. So here we are. We come here on the top, and before we do that, actually I want to add a little style right here. So let me see what do we have here. So main wrapper, I don't concerned about that. Okay, so it's 580. So we take this ID, go right here, style, type, text slash CSS, close the style, pound, control V, width is gonna be 580 pixels. Okay, now I'm gonna add a border to top, about 2 pixel solid, and let me see what color should I use. Let's use it like that. I'm gonna save. Now if I go here, we're gonna see something dark bar right here, so it's okay. And also a padding top to be 20 pixels. Okay, now it's okay. Now we need to display our products. So we already are connected to the database, so now we're gonna say SQL2 is equal to MySQL underscore query. Select all from products order by date underscore added. I think that is, let's see, JDB products, so date added. Okay, limit, and I'm gonna say 4. I think they are enough. Okay, now let's declare a variable named count. Count is equal to MySQL num rows. We're going to take as parameter SQL, and make sure you put SQL2 and not SQL. Okay, so if okay, and now I want you guys to copy this variable, so new products, and paste it right here at the top. Let me also add a comment here. So this point is equal to nothing. So if count is greater than 0, and this means we have products in our store, we're gonna do something else. You're gonna echo this, and it's gonna say something like let's say put a P. We are sorry. In this moment, we have no products in our store. Please come back later. Or put whatever message you want, doesn't matter. Okay, now we're gonna use the while. Okay, so while row is equal to MySQL fetch array SQL2. This means that let me see. So we need the name, brand, category. No. Okay, so we need the name, the name, no category, no description, and the price. Let's try it like that. Also in the ID, so ID is equal to row ID, and so we need 2 more variables. So 1, 2. One is gonna be the name, which is equal to name. What's name, right? Name and price. Okay, we have a problem because we need also to have the images for our products. Without them we can make our store. So what we're gonna do is say here image is gonna be equal to image source. Actually put source is equal to, and it's gonna be a string. It's gonna be a product, and this means this folder right here slash ID. You have here the images, doc, JPEG, and it should be okay. Now image is equal to another string, so is equal to image a source is gonna be equal to source. Okay, weight is gonna be equal to let me see, let's say 200. Weight is gonna be, or I'm gonna let it like that because I don't know what weight I have. So border is gonna be 1 and we close. Okay, now display the variable. So copy this, Control V. Okay, so we need div id equals to, and we haven't created that, d from display p, d underscore p, display product. Okay, close the div. So we're gonna say the image, so image. Okay. Next is gonna be breaks with the break line. Then it's gonna be name. Break line. Price. Now let's add the d, create that style. So d underscore p. First of all, it's gonna be float to the left. Okay. Next one is gonna be with about let's say 220 pixels. I'm gonna have padding 10 pixels. Okay. Margin to left, to right. Actually, let's say about 20 pixels, and it's enough. And we can put a border 1 pixel solid 999, and this is just for test, you know. So first I want to delete this because I don't want the fly. It's just a stupid product. Now I go here and try to refresh and see how it looks like. Oh, we forgot to uncomment here. So save and again. So you have only one product. I understand why. Okay. And that is the diamond. Okay, let's see why. Okay, so here is the error why we have only one product and stuff like that. So here, instead of order by date limit, I'm gonna copy the exact same script with the exception that we have limit 4 that we use in the admin inventory right here. So order by date underscore added desk limit 4. Okay, now we have only one product because we forgot here to put a duck. Actually, I forgot. And here I want you guys to come and put this instead of this. So I want you guys to come here. No, actually it's okay. But here we're gonna put a semicolon, duck, semicolon. Now it should be okay. So save. There's refresh. So we have our products right now. As you can see, we have another problem. Okay, I'm joking. I made actually the pictures too large for the product, so actually I think I'm gonna make those a little smaller, you know, and try to put them out. So actually I said here that we have a border there. Save again, refresh and see. So we need here to put margin to bottom 10 pixels, so here add 10 pixels as well. Let's make those to 160. Okay, so padding is gonna be 180. So image as well is gonna be 160. Save this. Let's see how it looks like. Refresh. Okay, so I'm gonna say also that close here, so text align gonna be to center. Save. Refresh. I don't understand why we margin to bottom 10 pixel. Okay, so save again. So you can add 6 products, and the last 6 products for database. Okay, so I'm gonna not actually we need one more thing. I forgot, sorry. Here add $sign for price, and look $sign. Or you can add it on the end, doesn't matter, it's okay as well. Okay, so I'm gonna not show you in this video how to make the style for those, you know. I'm gonna do that in the next video. So I think I'm gonna again make those a little smaller because they're too large, and maybe I should not put the border for them, so let's put border 0 pixels. I'm gonna say save and go here and see how they look like, and they look better. And maybe I'm gonna do them smaller than that, so that they may be 4 in the column. So again, I want you to add as many products as possible you can. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how to add a little style right here, and we're gonna create a contact page. So if you have any comments, leave it below, and see you next time.